So what we have here is a HP Pavilion DV6, and in order to take the hard drive out, you have to flip the computer. Now notice this panel here. You have to have a small screwdriver and unscrew the 4 screws that are here. Very easy to do. These little screwdrivers, you can find them at Walmart, a whole set, and they're probably $4, $5. Very easy to find. So you have to unscrew all 4. Now the panel, you have to kind of pry it open because it's not easy. Okay, so you have to pull a little bit and it comes out. Okay, now this is your RAM memory here. This is your hard drive. And the hard drive has this little tab here, this black tab, and you just pull it out. It comes out like this, but it's still connected to the motherboard with this cable. Well, this stuff is very easy to disconnect because it just comes out like this. Yeah, you can disconnect it from the motherboard, or you can just disconnect the cable. I'm sorry I didn't show you, but this is connected to the hard drive, so either way, from the motherboard or from the cable.